Welcome to House of Hybrids. My name is Renato, and today we're gonna do something different. There is a request on my channel from Rice Burner. I don't know your real name, but that's for you. You request us to how to put a fourth generation Prius on a maintenance mode. And what it is you have the engine running all the time. Sometimes to do a diagnosis, to check for a leak or warm up the engine without running driving the car. So that's you need to put on maintenance mode, okay? And we're gonna teach you how to do that, right? And if you guys would like to see any video regarding a hybrid car, electric vehicle, or any kind of vehicle, shoot us a message, and I will try to make my best to make the video and send to you guys. All right, so let's do it. Okay, now that we are in the car, first thing you do is make sure you apply your emergency brake. First step. Then, from now on, we have about 20 seconds to complete the whole process. And the first thing we're gonna do is gonna press twice the power button to bring the car on ignition mode. Okay, so let's do it. 1, 2. Now we have an ignition mode. Now we're gonna press to the floor twice the throttle. 1, 2. After that, you press the brake and put the car in neutral. Once it's in neutral, you press twice again the throttle to the floor. 1, 2, and release. Now you press the brake again and put in park. And after that, you do again twice the throttle all the way to the floor. Now you already get this message, maintenance mode. Now you press the brake and press start once. And the car now is in maintenance mode. That what means the engine is going to be running the whole time, 100% of the time. So, but remember, if you have the car in a closed area, about the fumes, it's really bad for you. So this is going to keep the car on all the time. This way you can check for leaking, you can check for weird noise in the front, or anything else that you need to do with the car, with the engine on. Alright? I hope that was helpful, and I see you next time.